Hello guys, this is a quick video about to let you know that basically, as I promised, I have started Portfolio Builder Series 2, and all you have to do is, if you are interested in having a look at that and to keep track of that, just drop me an email at trade.fanatics@gmail.com. That email is also listed in the description below. So I'm going to start a new series now. It's basically very much similar to the Portfolio Builder Series 1. If you're tracking that, if you have not tracked that, just watch my previous videos. You get to know everything about that. This is the Portfolio Builder Series 1, and it's doing really good at the moment, and the index performance, as you can see, has been 7.65% up since we started our journey, the Portfolio Builders Series 1 journey. And our performance has been really good. It's like nearly 17% gains. Okay, so you can see here. And now it's time to start the Portfolio Builder Series 2. So those who have missed the Series 1, and if you want to start or join me in building Series 2, then you can just drop me an email and I will add you. And I have created a separate Telegram channel just to not complicate things with the Portfolio Builder Series 1. So it's a separate Telegram channel. So just drop me an email and I will let you join in there. It helps me track who are all following, and then also set my frequency of updates. Okay guys, so that's it about the Portfolio Builder Series 2. I hope you're all excited, so let me know, and then I'll keep updating on that. As you can see here, I have already placed a couple of orders for today, so let's see if it gets executed today. And as usual, I'll be putting all the live updates on this particular Telegram channel, which is Portfolio Builder Series 2 channel. Okay, thank you guys, see you soon.